All right. Today we are working on an iPhone XR that came in that has problem catching signal or actually reading SIM card. Uh, Apparently, the technician was changing the screen on his phone and somehow knocked out a few components I was able to see after we opened the phone. So I'm going to show you what I saw that caught my attention. Let me just make that smaller. Okay, well, okay. Smaller. Okay, and so when I opened the phone to check around the SIM connector, this is what I saw. These two components were knocked off. I believe one was for clock, the other one's for data. One's a resistor, and this is one for clock. And that, of course, and you can see right here the little gash. So it looks like whoever was trying to remove the cables maybe did this with the tweezers or whatever he was using. But we're just going to go ahead and replace these two components and get this phone back to a working condition. Let's do this here. This should be an easy and quick work. Hopefully, usually sometimes the easy ones comes out to be the hardest. Alright, so let's just add some flux. Alright. We'll prepare the pads. Alright, perfect. Alright, usually I like to take the motherboard out, but in this case I'll do it without. Hopefully it won't cause any more damage, but let's try it this way for now. Okay. I'm going to take a donor motherboards, take these wafers off. These are missing components, and then transfer them over to the other motherboard. Start with this one first, the clock. Just put it down before we lose it. We'll use the tweezers for this. Try to not apply hot air on this while we have the motherboards still sitting in this frame with the bag next to it. Try to do it. We'll see how that works out. If not, we'll just use the hot air. Oops. Where are you going? Okay. Alright. It's not where I want it to be. Sloppy. I can use a hot air. Let's put it back in its place. So let's put the other one back in.
It's missing or?
It's missing, yeah. Completely off. Just take the other one out from the donor. Okay, there's. That's the resistor. Okay, that should do it. Let's break off its access solder. Okay. Now let's put it together and we'll do it a test. See if what we did works. That's good. Let's test it. Just put a screw just to hold the suture down for now. So test it. Okay. Okay. Let's turn the phone on. Alright, let me pause this video. I had 3 customers come in. Alright, so we're back and the phone is on right now. So we're gonna go ahead and put that SIM card number in. And we have to pause it again. Alright, we're back. Hopefully no more interruptions until we get to see this working. Alright, so I have down. So I have the SIM cards. So put this SIM card in the tray and inside the phone, and let's see if you get a signal. Hopefully we do. Alright. I got a quick message and it went away. I couldn't read it. Let's see, okay, no, yep, it's actually getting LTE. Alright, perfect. I got a signal. And we got the LTE. Oh, you guys can see it. Yep, right there, perfect. Alright. Alright, so this actually solved the problem. We just replaced these two components. And we got the phone back working. And that will conclude this video, and hopefully I can make some more videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my channel here. I know I'm starting from scratch. Some of these videos I know they're not the best quality, but we're trying. Please help me support this channel and support me. And if you like more, again, you can subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, you can dislike. If you have any questions, any comments, you can leave them there. And hopefully we'll do some more videos. And thank you for watching. Until next time.